Okay guys, 2022 Ford Explorer Platinum all-wheel drive. It's got the EcoBoost motor. Damage is right in this area. All been fixed up. It's a 6-passenger panoramic sunroof. Start it up. 536 on the miles. Adaptive cruise. Heated seats, cooled seats. All your drive modes, park assist. 360 camera. Navigation. Different apps. All your different drive assist modes. It's got ambient lighting. It's got massage seats. It's got the B&O sound system, power folding mirrors, with blind spot monitors in them. VIN number. Shades for the kids. A 6-passenger. Tires. Tow package, quad exhaust. Nice gray color. Clean dash. Rear heated seats, rear air control. Again, platinum rebuilt title, damage right here. All been fixed up. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.